So, it's a win-win situation. Kahit walang autumn leaves, if you're passing this beautiful view, I think it's worth it, right? It's just easy, but it's very challenging, guys, because it's so slippery due to the small rock. Hello everybody! Welcome to PinkSampaguita. This is Christy, and today we have another trip, and we are going to see autumn leaves, guys. And also, not today, but today we're going to the hotel. We need to start tomorrow morning. So today is Saturday, the day that we get this new car, and this is our first trip, guys. First drive para sa aming new travel buddy. Of course, we need to document it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Our very first time maybe to see the autumn leaves. So on my previous vlogs, we've been trying to find the autumn leaves, the golden, yellow, red combination of leaves, but unfortunately it's still too early. So I hope tomorrow, guys, Sunday, October 2, is the perfect day that I'm going to show you the autumn leaves. Of course, before we go to the video, please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and scroll some of my travel video. Baka may magustuhan kayo. Please do watch. And if you're planning to go to Japan, please check my videos, guys. And of course, all of my videos, guys, are dedicated to all the people of the Philippines and other country that cannot go to Japan yet because of financial problem, or planning to go to Japan but still don't know where to go. So you may search on my compilation video which one is the best tourist spot that you wanted to visit. Welcome to autumn!
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light
Hi, we are here now at Comfort Hotel Kuriyama, and this is our room.
The next day.
Okay, good morning, guys. So today is the day that we're going to hike to ZAO Onsen. Kung natatandaan nyo, guys, ito yung may pinakamagandang view kapag nag-ski ka sa mountain ng ZAO Onsen. So I'm gonna put the picture here on the screen para makita nyo yung winter experience during that time when we go to ZAO. But this time, it's still autumn, so we're going to check if maganda din ba yung view niya during autumn. So stay tuned, guys. Guys, we arrived, and that's the bus we ride kanina. Grabe, 1 hour yung ride papunta dito from the bus station kanina. Hi. It's 11:19, so let's eat first before we hike. So nandito na tayo sa ZAO Onsen. Pupunta tayo dun sa may summit, and ito yung ZAO onsen, makikita din natin yung crater. And dito natin makikita yung Master Snow if you remember. So, stay tuned guys. Let's walk and hike to the summit.
これはね、お釜はね、あそこのあれを真似して、それがスペシャリティ。これが？お釜でしょ。これ釜でしょ。これ釜っていうの。
Okay, let's eat. Nice view while eating. So, ayan, tapos na tayong kumain and pupunta tayo sa crater. There, may makikita natin ang malapitan. Ay, malapit na tayo. Ang ganda ng view niya.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush.
Sugoi ne. Kecil. Welcome to ZAO Crater. So this is an onsen guys. That's hot and that's the source of the onsen surrounding the ZAO onsen town. Yan, ang ganda ng view. Diba, sumabog na siya. But right now, it's not that active volcano. Kuya. Now we are heading there on the top. There, okay, that's the crater and we're gonna go there. Oh,
We're not gonna fall.
ganda. Ganda ng ano.
Yan ka.
So beautiful. Ayan, we're walking along the crater and more it's closer, the more it's beautiful. So it's cold here. Maybe when we reach the summit, it's colder than here. Yes. Yan, but the view is super beautiful. Kids can hike going to the summit. It's just an easy hike or average, so don't worry about it. You can bring your children with you or even grandmother, grandfather, old people can climb on the summit. And let's check if we can see the autumn foliage on the summit, guys. Going there, we can enjoy the crater. So, it's a win-win situation. Kahit walang autumn leaves, if you're passing this beautiful view, I think it's worth it, right? This is the moment of truth. The hardest part, guys, because this is going up. Now we're near the house. What is that igloo house looks like? The igloo house. Papa and Kuya already reached the summit. Now we're almost. So this is our second time here, going here, and the total hike would be 3 hours, 1.5 going up and 1.5 going down. So a total of 3 hours, included the rest. So it's just easy, guys. So we are getting off now, but we are gonna use different direction. We came there and then we're gonna go down here. So this way is slippery because of the small rock. Nadulas na ako kanina. Medyo masakit but still okay. Kasi pababa siya, so madulas. Be careful. Now I'm seeing the red foliage. At least we saw the sign of autumn here. Look at that. Oh, let's go near and check. That's the autumn leaves. Kaya medyo malayo na yung nararating natin. We're still gonna go climb there. That part. There are two directions, is straight and going left, so we're going to the left. Going straight will lead us to the ropeway, but we're not gonna ride the ropeway, so this way we're gonna lead to the car park, because they do have a ropeway too, but since the route is just so easy, I think, for all of us, so we choose to just walk until the car park. A little bit dangerous. Look. Oh, if you slide, you'll go down. Oh, so scary. Okay. It's just easy, but it's very challenging, guys, because it's so slippery due to the small rock. But the view are so amazing. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see this on the camera, but I can see the red color of the leaves in front of me. They're on the other side of the mountain kasi nanggaling tayo dun sa kabilang mountain, guys. So dito it's the best, but a little bit scary for us. If we slide, we will gonna fall there. But it's okay, guys, don't worry. We're gonna make it through slowly but surely. Diba? Ang ganda ng autumn view here. Good thing we use this route. Back. Ayan guys, look on my back. The autumn view. Welcome to Autumn 2022, guys. So I hope you're enjoying this video. So I'm going on the other side so Kuya will not fall again. Okay, come on. I want to take every angle because it's so beautiful. We do the balance. Ima.
あっただろ、あ、お得さがあっただろ。
あれ
ねで、ビーってここ来たの。
Okay, that's a gondola over there, but we need to go this way. This way is a ski route. Ayan, may mga sign pa ng ski direction. Those are the trees behind the monster snow. That one. If you remember, I do have a vlog about the monster snow last winter ski. So that is behind that monster snow. Grabe. So you may choose to just ride ropeway, no need to hike. We saw the route of the ropeway there on the top. Maganda din yung view. So I think that's better because what we do today is a little bit hard. They're checking the ski lifter. But on the top, they're going to the summit. You can really see the autumn colors. I don't know if you can see here. Let's have a rest. Oh, with that beautiful view. This one is the best view in winter. Now I'm going to end this vlog here, guys, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the ZAO onsen Crater Lake and this autumn foliage that we see while we hike the ZAO mountain. I'm going to see you on my next vlog. After this, we're going to go to hot spring. Nearby the ZAO onsen is a lot of hot spring. That's why we need to enjoy it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'm going to see you in my next vlog. Hope you enjoy life. Bye. Now we're here at the Kogen station, guys, and there's a hammock or duyan. So let's try. Before we end this video, we're going to ride the lifter pa pala, guys, and my gondola. They don't like lifter, big gondola. So hubby is buying the tickets, so please join us inside the gondola before we totally end this video. Now we're back at the car. Bye.